This question asks about the physical significance of the slope of the line you just created. Remember, you created a position versus time graph. I'm going to make that a little bit larger. Easier to read. Okay. Position versus time graphs. We had position on your y-axis. We had time on the x-axis. And you created a graph that looked hopefully something like, let's see, something like this. Because remember, your position 0 occurred at some time. Remember, she had to row up to the starting line. Okay, now we want to know the slope. If you recall from math class, slope is rise over run. Rise over run. So here's your rise, and here's your run. Now, what do those mean in this graph? Well, notice that your rise, the amount that's changed on the y-axis, that's the change in position. And your run is what's changed on your x-axis. It's a change in time. So in this case, our slope is a change. I'm going to put a triangle there that stands for delta. It's a Greek letter. It stands for change. Change in position over a change in time. That's what our slope physically means here. Now, can you go back to your book and look on pages 24 and 25? A change in position divided by a change in time. What does that mean physically? So read through this section and see if you can get the correct answer.